Welcome to the Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, March 7th, 2017, and today BBC is actually saying that Facebook isn't doing enough for child pornography pictures that they say have appeared on the service. So the Facebook said, well, can you give us proof of this? The BBC, of course, gave them proof. And Facebook called the cops and they said, well, BBC is trying to put child porn pictures on our service. So it's kind of a very interesting outcome to this debate. So, of course, Facebook is saying, well, we're not perfect and it is difficult to, oversee everything and remove everything. But they're working hard and trying to make it better and hope that also with the help of the public, it will be able to remove everything that is offensive. IBM wants to build a quantum computer, and what they say is in the next few years, quantum computers, of course, offer the possibility of much faster computing power and creating computers that are probably going to boost artificial intelligence quite a lot. So it's interesting to see. IBM is that company we don't hear about much, but they are working on many major projects of technology. The Nintendo Switch, fastest selling console Nintendo ever made, and basically they are, of course, looking at that in a bright future, basically. So it's interesting to see that this console sells really well. Of course, despite reports that we're already seeing that the left Joy-Con apparently has some connectivity issues, but hopefully they will fix that as soon as possible. Google Play Store is celebrating 5 years, and they are celebrating by offering some apps free instead of their usual price tag. So why not head on to the Google Play Store if you have an Android device and check out what you can get for free. If you had problems signing in to the Microsoft accounts today, yes, there was a major outage. It apparently started early this morning and was resolved around 9 a.m. Eastern Time in North America. But it did prevent you from signing in to pretty much every Microsoft services that you wanted to use. But things should be back to normal by now. And the Nokia 3310 is actually selling really well. Pre-orders are pretty good, pretty healthy, and it is really surprising that people want to have this old phone again. Of course, it's not quite like the old phone, and I'm not sure it's as robust as the old phone was. But kind of interesting that people want to have that little phone again. And finally, AMD, that is already creating much more competition with its Ryzen CPUs against Intel, wants to really make a lot more competition. They say that their Naples 32 core processors are perfect for basically the servers, and they say that they want to try to get some of that server market from Intel and really get back into the server market, which is one of those really lucrative markets for anyone that gets into it. So this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, March 7th, 2017. Today is live show day. At 3 p.m. Eastern, we have our tech show where we answer your questions. And at 6 p.m., we have Windows Insider Hour. So this is really going to be a nice little live show day. Hope you can join us. And if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for following us.